Hey dear subscriber, this video today I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp properly not working on iPhone, iPad, iOS 15. So firstly, open settings and scroll down. So you have tap on here WhatsApp. So turn off all toggles on WhatsApp, and again open toggles. Open, tap notifications, turn on, and again turn on. Back home screen, again open App Store. One. So tap on profile icons. So as you can see, my WhatsApp updates few seconds ago, and back home screen, and again open settings, scroll down, tap on journal, and scroll down, tap on transfer reset, and tap on reset, and here to reset location and privacy. Back home screen, again open WhatsApp and properly working. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this.